second winter points meet at Chokihola. Villagers request for completions of Khatkhati Gautam Basti to Hidipi Road construction. PMAY-G house constructions incomplete even after 3 years. West Karbi Anglong District Journalists Union participate in extended meet of Assam State Journalists Union at Sibsagar. Good morning, viewers. Myself, Malin Timungpi, brings you today's news updates. Nilip Hirbang Amay, in collaborations with Jambali Literary Foundations, organized a second winter poets meet at Chokihola ME School under Nilip constituency on Sunday. The program was inaugurated by BLTC Chairman Winson Ronghang and Karbi Bangaterang, General Secretary Khazaning T presided the award meeting. Karbi Lamet Amay, General Secretary Kamsing Timung, spoke about Karbi language, Karbi literature, and the need to preserve and promote the Karbi language. He urged the younger generations to write more in Karbi. JLF advisor Surjo Rongpar, Chokihola English ME School Headmaster Parmeswar Narzari, MSc Pavitra Rongpi, eminent personalities of the area, and several budding poets from around the district participated in the meet. A poem recitations competitions, which was also held on the occasion, saw the participations of more than 60 budding poets from several places of the district, including Nilip, Denarong, Dongmokak, Dongkamukam, Hamren, Sangtihidi, and Dipu. Muniram Teron, Biren Hanse, Muhuri Bay, and Gina Lektepi were the judges of the competitions. Dorothy Tisopi of Rongbongkat, Nilip won the first prize. Vijay Ronghang from Dongka won the second prize, and Ojit Pangcho from Nilip won the third prize. Consolations prizes were also awarded to 5 budding poets. On the occasions, winner of Karbi Hirjira Chatai competitions in the month of October, Thengtom Togbi, and in the month of November, winner Samsing Hanse were also awarded. The organizers informed that the first editions of the event was held in 2018 and they will be holding the event regularly in the coming years. They have thanked the numerous donors of the event and the general public for their love and support. Moses Teron from Nilip, 365 News, India.
Pini lada Nilip ahawara lang puthot indeng hini singkreng hirbang amay tepat di pon pulo ponirong lo si lapu Nilip hirbang amay tum alang tum aning khang apen alang tum akar I apen alang tum akemang abang so ipachun pon thekpot alang tum han prangsi churupik lo Malang tum jong si lapuson seperti tip tek tedet asonte nil tum Jambali Literary Foundation tum ta lapuan situdum energi Tibon sami alang tum ada nang gicakat tum akan ada nang kang hong tum bang atum han ciki meme pen ciki klok so jo ni si Pini labang so hidung amai sami misen pen chun lo pusia ki kroy dum se nil tum ke bang jilang lapen ke dam tani an sami lapuson along hirbang amai pen chenglong lapen kaprek tum kacerap kacetu pen Netum lu kapaklang penceng lo, puson amai padubo. Nasi kirang Jepun sama netum bor ibom ji, tapi netum kado bela. Netum Karbi Akhai, Karbi Alamet, ansu se kepang cup hat, tapi Karbi Owe nitum. Ansu se Karbi Alam hat ardi pira, tapi Jimat hara, tapi so alam hat ansu se kang tur pun teji, tapi kepacan pun teji. Ansu netum bor ibom, tapi abang so ke bor ibang kentum sangsel, tapi sinton tel, tapi
Villagers have requested the PWD department for completing the constructions of road between Khatkhati Gautam Basti to Hidipi in Borjan MSC constituency. According to the villagers, the road constructions began 4 years ago, but the snail pace of the constructions has resulted in incompletions even after 4 years. Villagers have complained of severe communications problem due to the incompletions of the road. They have now requested for the completions of the road this winter before the arrival of monsoon, stated that they will face more problems during the rains. Bisu Lekte from Hanjang Langso for 365 News, India. Deori Hanse is a resident of Salawateron village under Puluni MSC constituency. He was a beneficiary of Prime Minister Awas Yojana Gramin in 2017. Accordingly, the constructions of his house began, but it remains incomplete till today. Hanse questions why the constructions has not been completed even after 3 years, and has held junior engineer Babu Teron, Mohori Singnar, Tatas Ingti, Bimol Teron, and one more person whose name he doesn't know, responsible for the incompletion. Hans's wife Sila Kropi has also expressed disappointment with the incompletions and said that the so-called leaders can only loot from the poor and they do not dare to loot from the rich. She told media persons that her husband is lame and she is the sole bread earner of the family. Now it remains to be seen whether the concerned authorities will take note of it and initiate immediate actions for completing the house of the poor family, or will they continue to ignore and remain silent like they always do.
Chulong leong mat hanggun derlo ta si 2000 changon derlo la sopo to na patang tema mate ku pia pon ma polo la ta sopo ke kadi pungke jong si 2000 pen na poisa pon nili nang enun det pen jong si nang li na patang te pulo tang te la bangke nili yang ku 2000 poisa nili nang chipidun det puta nili pulo la ta nang patang te la ta kala
Nusu puisa
2000 2000 nilisi cho hang dun luti an long leong mat halam huri sing nara tumlong he nilisi cho hang dun la si sa poisa nang endung dat pentong nang patang tema mati ku pia pon ma angkul so 2000 pe nang pata la so pon nang ke endung pensa he nang patang te pulo tang te so 2000 pot ke ni nang chipidun po
kona lo la so la beng la so ke kuli ha la ekon he
nili ma dag ju phul le tho lang hin kini stebe
la hin sta beng long ba
lang hin stebe no si kuli
bang tu hem ke tang edu ke di
bang hem an ke la don pho hem an ke tang et lu inke jo la ta kan cholo na patang te inke li tumbang tang te det lo mati inke jo la ana hem ke bang patang lap le inke da ai pipo sina patang te det
engineer ke
engineer e babu tiron lo
babu teron
At delegations of West Karbi Anglong District Journalists Union participated in the extended meet of Assam State Journalists Union held at Sibsagar Journalists Union office on Sunday. Assam State Journalists Union Sibsagar District Committee is organizing the journalist meet. Sibsagar Deputy Commissioner Vishnu Komal Bora inaugurated the meet earlier in the morning. Thereafter, a meeting was held which was presided over by Assam State Journalists Union ASJU President Jitul Sarma Rajkhoa. ASJU General Secretary Ratul Bora stated the objectives of the meeting. Several issues were discussed during the meet and which included the rules and regulations needed to be followed by journalists and their duties. Other discussions included the proposed meet of All India Journalists Union in Assam and the annual meet of the union in Guwahati. More than 100 journalists from different district unions in the state took part in the meet. The delegations from West Karbi Anglong was held by Cut News Channel Deputy CEO Biren Singh Inhi and comprised of ASJU West Karbi Anglong President Joyram Kathar and Hamran Abirta Chief Editor Sanjay Togbi, journalist Kanak Deri, Sanjay Singh and Alok Borburua. Joyram Kathar from Kheroni for 365 News India.
Kardom nilitung Karbi kursa cinglo mamai KKC ya hinpen tiri pialong ke sulang pon bom nang litung kadu ka wia thengno ethe alam pachini gangtung do khe ke doan mate sumsiang jati jabol kapek sitame mate Karbiam sitame nang litung yang si somsuri si sosea ke so nang bang arjon long do plotangte nabang so ke so penga cepa meji aphan nilitung KKC ya long nang humre iktame nilitung along nang humri pen nang litung akiso cepa jok wong longji la pena duntu ni litung labang soron ke klempon la ke Karbi guru sa cing ramai pela bangke aron barim hempu mukrang pira singja arnam pharo aron atang pesi hakko pirthe plangra pesi ni tum nang ke klem nang ke dang la si ni tum pen kapachinia teng pen ai tum na ka humri pen labang so ke so dom ra pen kadu ko be pen reng dok reng ni ki dora pen je phansi ni tum ke sia hin pen nang tu phan pachini pon no kardom.
Adu viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.